In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Xbox gift card. If you've just picked up an Xbox gift card or received a digital code, redeeming it is quick and straightforward. This process adds credit or content to the Microsoft account you use for Xbox, so everything you unlock will be ready the next time you play. I'll walk you through each part, explain what you'll see, and share a few practical tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer, or use the browser on your Xbox console. Go to redeem.microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft redemption page, and it works the same across devices. Using the browser is often the fastest route, and it ensures you're redeeming directly with Microsoft. If you're on your console, the built-in browser will take you there just fine. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account, the same one linked to your Xbox profile. This is important because whatever you redeem is tied to this account. If you have multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're on the correct one by checking the email at the top of the page. Complete any standard security prompts as usual, then continue to the redemption screen. Now, enter your 25-character code. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the label to reveal it. If it came by email, copy it carefully to avoid typos. The code is typically 5 groups of 5 characters. You don't need to worry about uppercase or lowercase, and dashes are optional. Watch out for lookalikes like 0 and the letter O or 1 and the letter I. Avoid sharing the code with anyone and double check that the region of the gift card matches your account's region, as region mismatches can cause errors. When the code is entered, select Next or Confirm. The page will validate the code and show exactly what you're redeeming, whether it's currency, a game, or another type of content. Confirm again to finalize. Give it a moment while Microsoft processes the redemption. Once it's successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If it's currency, it will be added to your Microsoft account balance. If it's content, it will be associated with your account and ready to download. If you see an error, verify the characters, check your internet connection, and try again. That's all you need to do. Visit redeem.microsoft.com, sign in, enter your 25-character code, and confirm. Enjoy your newly added balance or content, and you'll be set for your next purchase or download on Xbox.